Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server and latency survival shooter. In this video, I'll show you how to change servers and latency survival shooter. But before anything else, make sure you've completed the basic missions to unlock all the main features. Once that's done, head to the top left corner of your screen and open your profile. From there, go to Account and bind your account to any email of your choice. This ensures your progress is saved. After binding, you'll notice your account now shows an ID or icon. Tap on Character Management, and here's where you can change servers, which in this game are called states. For example, if you're currently in state 130, that means you're on server 130. To move to another one, just select your desired state and confirm. Keep in mind, though, your progress will differ for each server, and you can only have one character per state. That's it. You've just learned how to switch servers and last see survival shooters. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.